Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a mobile mechanic business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a mobile mechanic business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The auto mechanics industry is one of the most profitable and simple auto services related business ideas that a trained mechanic can successfully launch. Because new automobiles are produced and released on a daily basis, car repair is a business that will never go out of business anywhere in the world. The auto mechanics industry performs mechanical and electrical repair and maintenance on automobiles, trucks, vans, trailers, and other vehicles. Self-employed mechanics, auto repair shops, garages, and car care centers established by automobile manufacturers are all participants in this industry. It is critical to note that the auto repair industry excludes car dealerships, auto parts retailers, and gas stations that provide industry services. Also excluded from the industry's services are auto bodywork, car washes, oil changes, and air conditioning repair. Because the mobile auto mechanic repair business is an open line of business, market share concentration is low. Despite the presence of large automobile companies in the industry, revenue is distributed among thousands of small auto garages and even mobile auto repair businesses. In fact, no single auto repair shop or auto company can account for more than 5.0% of the industry's total revenue. This is why smaller auto repair shops and mobile auto mechanic services account for a sizable portion of the auto repair services industry. The auto mechanics industry, of which mobile auto mechanic repair services is a part, is indeed large and active in countries such as the United States of America, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Holland, Sweden, Switzerland, Australia, Canada, and so on. According to statistics, there are approximately 254,970 registered and licensed auto mechanics garages scattered throughout the United States, employing approximately 562,530 people and raking in a whopping $64 billion annually. Between 2011 and 2016, the industry is expected to grow at a 3.2% annual rate. It is critical to note that no establishment in this industry has a lion's share of the market. The auto mechanics industry has grown steadily over the last 5 years and is expected to grow further. Individuals and businesses have increased their demand for auto repair services as per capita disposable income and corporate profit have increased, encouraging consumers to choose auto repair and maintenance services over do-it-yourself repair. Going forward, disposable income levels are expected to rise further, encouraging some consumers to spend more on automobile maintenance and repair. Some of the factors that encourage entrepreneurs to start their own mobile auto mechanic repair business include the fact that the business is simple to set up and run as a one-man show, sole proprietorship, while still generating a good income. Furthermore, the mobile auto mechanic repair business is very accessible to any aspiring entrepreneur who has obtained the necessary technical training, skills, and possibly professional certifications to start his or her own business. You should conduct market research before you begin. Individual car owners are not the only ones who use the services of a mobile auto mechanic repair business in terms of demographics and psychographics. There are many corporate and individual clients who prefer to invite mobile auto mechanics to their homes, offices, or any other location of their choice if their vehicles break down rather than driving their vehicles to an auto garage. In fact, the target market for a mobile auto mechanic repair business should include, among other things, households, haulage companies, transportation companies, auto sales garage car dealership shops, corporate organizations, and schools. So, if you want to define the demographics for your mobile auto repair business, you should be as broad as possible. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a mobile mechanic business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.